Alright, so this video is going to be about rebuilding a truck motor. Um, it'll be disassembled and then we'll put it all back together. Um, the truck is actually a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. It's a two-door 3.76 cylinder. Um, this engine definitely had some problems. Originally I thought it may have been a head gasket, but as soon as I opened the valve cover up and I looked inside it, I noticed that that head was just completely ruined. Obviously, the owner hasn't changed the oil as much as they were supposed to. Um, the oil was thick and crusty. Um, the or the camshaft actually broke the bearings, or I'm sorry, the caps that hold it in. Um, the uh, the bolts were still on the end of the cap, but the middle part that holds the camshaft in was actually just completely broke off on a couple of them. So I guess it ran dry of oil and grabbed a hold of the caps and just twisted it and broke them off when the camshaft was running. For this video, I'm not going to show you exactly everything, like how to measure everything and all that. I did that off camera on my own time. Um, I just didn't record that. Um, the purpose of this video is mostly, well, it's my very first video that I'm ever making. So I didn't do everything and record all the steps. But this video would help you to see how an engine is assembled, or maybe specifically your 3.7. Um, when I started recording, or had the idea to, I actually had it all already disassembled. Um, Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Please keep in mind that I am not a professional. Um, at the end of this video, I was able to get the truck running, got the engine back in there. The truck ran great. Um, the compression on all cylinders was exactly the same. All six cylinders hit hit the same compression number, which is perfect, and that's pretty much what you want. So, some of you may disagree with some of the things I do, or think some things that I do are dumb, and that's fine. You can leave a comment, let me know. Um, like I said, I'm not a professional, so I hope you enjoy, and if you have any comments or questions, just let me know. Okay, so we finished cleaning the block, and now we're going to go ahead and check and basically make sure that the block itself is straight where the heads are. We'll do that by using a straight edge like the one I have here. They have a lot of different kinds, but it's just important to make sure that it's a precision straight edge. It's something like one of, something like this. You would think it should be straight, but that's not going to be the case. This is just a little straight, or a little ruler from Home Depot, and it's not going to be a precision straight edge. And you need these things to be pretty exact. It may be okay to see if something's level, something like that, but it's not going to be a precision straight edge. So this one is actually a snap-on straight edge. It was pretty expensive, but they do have cheaper options available. I tried eBay. Normally have good luck with them, but the straight edge that I bought from off eBay, I actually went to go get it checked, and it was not straight. It was actually warped on both ends, so it wouldn't measure right. It wasn't any good. So I went ahead and spent some money to get a straight edge I knew would be good. This one was about $130, I think, but like I said, they do have cheaper options. You can probably get some for probably around 70 to, I don't know, 90 bucks. Now these straight edge, they need to be about 1 to 2 thousandths of an inch. It's got to be really straight. So anyways, these right here are feeler gauges. This is what we're going to use to check to make sure that it's straight. For this one, I'm actually using 2000 straight edge, or feeler gauge. And the way these work is that you'll have your straight edge laying across the deck, and then you'll try to push it through underneath the straight edge. Now if you notice, none of mine went underneath the straight edge. They butted up right at the bottom of the straight edge, and they didn't go under. And that's a good sign, because that means that it's perfectly straight and level all the way across. If it goes under, that means you got a low spot right there where it dips in, and that's not good. And you need to check different angles of the deck. You'll take 3 across, you'll exit, and do 3 perpendicular. Just make sure you get enough angles that that it's completely straight.